Guys, welcome to this weird ass angle, but yeah, we have a Pokemon card opening. We're gonna do this angle for Pokemon cards. So I have this Hisuian Zoroark V-Star Premium Collection. I literally just got this in the mail today. Well, when you're watching this, it's like a while after I got this. But yeah, let's just open it. Also, first let's just show what we get inside. We get a big card. We get a V-Star tag, a Zoroark pin, a coin, 2 exclusive cards, and 6 packs. So let's just pop it open. Where's the tape? I don't even think there's tape on here. So let's just open it. I know, I'm so gentle. It wants to open. Also, I have the Shining Fates sleeves, which we'll be using. I have to always specify which sleeves that we're going to be using. I'm doing such a gentle job of opening this thing. That was bending the card. Alright. I'm just so good at this. Oh, it's so hard to open. There we go. Alright, finally got the things out. So, let's just open up the top and just have it peek it inside. Now I can finally replace the Charizard card at the front of my binder. Put that to the back. I don't like the Charizard very much. Alright, so next up we have, first up we're gonna look at the cards that we get in this collection. So, oh no, the code. I like codes. Let me get the code, because I actually use those like a lot of other PokeTubers. So, our first cards that we have this amazing full art Hisuian Zoroark V, and the alternate art Hisuian Zoroark V-Star. So let's just pop these in the sleeve. I like them. Doesn't matter if they're not gonna be worth anything. I just think they're neat. I mean, if I didn't think that they're neat, I wouldn't have gotten this box. Yeah. Just pop them in the sleeve. Pop. Nice. Put those ones aside for later. Next up, because I have it right here, we got a coin. Now, coins recently have been getting extremely big. I don't know why. It's very shiny, but yeah, coins have been getting huge lately. Like, old coins are like maybe that big. Now it's, yeah. Oh, I think you can see what I got. Tails. Alright, so let's just, that's a very nice coin, by the way. It has Zoroark on it, obviously. So yeah, that's a nice coin. Then we have a amazing pin. This pin is beautiful. Look at that pin. That's such a nice pin. It is Zoroark with a weird ass background, but it's very heavy and very big, and it's awesome. I love it. I didn't have Zoroark for this unboxing. I should have. But yeah. Then let's look at the V-Star token. Just an average V-Star token. I mean, that's what you get with V-Star tokens. Very basic. Next up, we have the big card that comes in here. It's just a bigger version of the V-Star alt. Still has texture, which is awesome. Yeah, it's just a bigger version of this one. It's like about the size of a V-Union. A full V-Union. So, let's just look at the packs that we got. We got 6 packs. And they're, I don't know how I feel about these packs. The selection's very odd. Now, so we got, let me organize these. So here's all the packs. So we got 2 Lost Origin. We got Evolving Skies, Chilling Rain, Astral Radiance, and Fusion Strike. So, what we'll do is we'll start out with the oldest set, and then we'll move up to the newest set. So, that means that we're going to start off with Evolving Skies. Let's just open this up. This is taking a while. As you can tell, I'm not a fluid Pokemon card pack opener. I like cards. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got a Water Energy, Pyroar, Herdier, Shopping Center, Tentacool, Pumpkaboo, Bagon, Love Disc, Seedot, Reverse Hollow Petalil, and a regular Drampa. Nice. So next up, I think we're going to be doing Chilling Rain. We could have gotten some really good from Evolving Skies, but we did. One, two, three, four. 4 from the back, obviously. We have Dark Energy, Avery, Doctor, Fog Crystal, Ladybug, Swovet, Crabrawler, Grookey, Scorbunny, Karen's Conviction Reverse, and a regular rare Dugtrio. Next up, let's do Fusion Strike. I haven't opened much Fusion Strike, but might as well. Get the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Steel Energy, Paparaja, Zoroark, nice, Simipour, Growlithe, Phalanx, Morpeko, Smeargle, Quillfish, Vikavolt, Reverse, and Dugtrio V. That is a nice card. I like Dugtrio. It got into Pokemon Unite, which is awesome. I mean, how can you not love it when it's in Pokemon Unite? Alright, our next pack, we have Astral Radiance. I've never opened a pack of this before, which is a very strange saying, but... Oh, I screwed up the funny opening. Or the easy open. Man. Come on. There we go. We're in. Throw it over in the trash pile. 1, 2, 3, 4. Dark Energy. Dusty Pickaxe. Duat, Sweet Honey, Sweet Sneasel, Misdreavus, Barboach, Honoward, Eevee, Sweet Lilligant, and Mamoswine. Alright, next up, Lost Origin. Probably the most valuable set that we've got, besides Evolving Skies. This is a Giratina art. I'm not a huge fan of the rarest card in this set, but it's it's a fine card. Just, I think that Zoroark looks better, in my opinion. So, Dark Energy, Viper, Galarian Suntusk, Box of Despair, Ducklet, Blipbug, Finneon, Hisuian Zorua, Paris, Reverse Hariyama, and a alternate art Rotom V. That is a beautiful card. Holy crap. That is such a good pull. Oh my god. That is a really good pull. So our final pack is going to be another Lost Origin pack. So, but hopefully our luck is as good as the first one. That was a very bad opening. But yeah, this is going to be a very suspenseful pack. So hopefully we get something good. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Bring it to the front. We have a Grass Energy, Gift Energy, a Bomb of Snow, Lost City, Roselia, Porygon, Inkay, Flipbug, Finneon, Reverse Makuhita, and a regular rare Banette. That was not worth the suspense. This was an alright box, I'm gonna say. Pulls were fine. Got a lot of bulk, like always. When you open massive amounts of Pokemon cards. Like, this is just all bulk. Like, look at that. Just a ton of bulk. So, let's just look at our good pulls of the day. So, here, let me just order it from worst to best. So, we got a Doug Trio V, a Rotom Alt Art V, and then these two. You're guaranteed in the box. Which are my favorites in this box. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. That was a pretty, whenever I open Pokemon cards on camera, I always get terrible pulls. I got 2 cards out of the 6 packs. And, yeah, I'm gonna give away a code card. Let me see. Which one do I want to give away? Here, I'll give you guys a Chilling Rain code. Boom, Chilling Rain. Redeem it if you guys want. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah. This will work. Says goodbye.